Hello everyone, coming towards a new letter that is I. So let it see. First is IAS. IAS means Indian Administrative Service. It is means that it is the administrative service arm of the All India Services. Then next is IBM. IBM means International Business Machine. It is an corporation, is an American multinational technology company headquartered in New York with the operation in over 170 countries. Then next is IC. IC means integrated circuit. An integrated circuit or monolithic circuit is a set of electronic circuit on one small flat piece of the semiconductor material that is normally silicon. Then next is ICAR. ICAR means Indian Council of Agricultural Research. It is an autonomous body responsible for correlating agricultural education and research in India. Then next is ICDS means Integrated Child Development Services. It is an government program in India which provide a food, preschool education, primary health, immunization, health checkup, and all the services of children under the 6 year of age and their mothers. Then next is ICICI means Credit and Investment Corporation of India. It is a financial institution in India, was established in 1995 as a public limited company. The Indian Company Act is governs it. Then next is ICT. ICT means Information and Communication Technology. It is an extensive term for the information technology that stress on the role of unified communication and integration of telecommunication and computer, as well as a necessary enterprises software, middleware, and the storage. Then next is ICU. ICU means intensive care unit. It is also known as intensive therapy unit or a intensive treatment unit or a critical care unit. It is a specialized department of the hospital or a healthcare facility that provides the intensive treatment medicine. Then next is IDBI. IDBI means Industrial Development Bank of India. It was established on 1964 Act as to provide a credit and other financial facilities for the development of the feeding of the Indian industry. Then next is IEEE means IEEE. It means that it is an Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. It is a professional association for the electronics engineering and electrical engineering with its cooperative office in New York City. Then next is IELTS means International English Language Testing System. It is a international standardized test of the English language professionally for the non-native English language speakers. Then next is IFFCU means Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. It is also known as IFFCU is a multi-state cooperative society engaged in the business of manufacture and marketing for the fertilizers headquartered in the New Delhi of India. Then next is IFS. IFS means Indian Foreign Services. It is the administrative of diplomatic civil service under the Group A and Group B in the Central Civil Services of the executive branch of the government in India. Then next is IFSC means Indian Financial System Code. It is an 11-digit alphanumeric code that helps to identify the different bank branches that deal with the online fund transfer, either the NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer or a RTGS. RTGS means real time gross settlement. Then next is IMA. IMA means Indian Military Academy or Indian Medical Association. Then next is IMDb. IMDb means Internet Movie Database. Is the world's most popular and authoritative source for movie, TV, celebrity content. It is an online database information related to films, televisions, programs, home videos, video games, streaming contest. Okay, then next is India. India means Independent National Democratic Intelligence Area. Then next is INS. INS means Indian Navy ship. Then next is IOC. IOC means International Olympic Committee. It is a non-governmental sports organization based in Luna, Switzerland. Then next is IOC means iOS means iPhone operating system. It is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc. executively for its hardware. Okay, then next is IP. IP means Internet Protocol. It is a set of rules governing the format of data sent over the internet or a other network. Then next is IPI. IPI means International Press Unit. It is a global organization dedicated to the promotion and protection of the press freedom and the empowerment of journalism practice. Then next is IPS. IPS means Indian Police Service or a in-plan switching or institution prevention system. Then next is IDRP. IDRP means related rural development program. Okay, then next is IRS. IRS means Indian Revenue Services. Then next is ISC. ISC means Indian School Certificate. Then next is ISD means Indian Subscriber Dealing. It is a placing an international telephone call that is dialed directly by the telephone subscriber rather than by the telephone operator. Then next is ISI means Indian Standard Institute. It is a national standard body of India working under the agencies of Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food Public Distribution, Government of India. Then next is ISO. ISO means International Organization for the Standardization. Then next is ISP means Internet Service Provider. An Internet Service Provider is an organization that provides services for the accessing, using, publicating in the internet. So thank you to see and listening my video. Goodbye everyone.